Today I'm super excited to be talking about this next project called Oracle Finance, and their motto is making passive income easy for the average investor. So if that's something interesting to you, stay tuned for this video. But before we do that, make sure to do your own research, figure out if this project is for you. So today we're talking all about Oracle Finance. Definitely an exciting project with a lot of benefits. We'll talk about the different investment streams. They have staking and bonding, Launchpad, NFT platform, venture funds. So we'll kind of check in on each one of those, kind of explain a little bit about that. But it's up to you guys to do your research, figure out if this project is for you. So let's jump into it right now. Oracle Finance. Here on the website at oracledao.finance. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check this out. But they say they're a financial platform to facilitate multi cryptocurrency investing. So there's a lot of things that they're doing, a lot of exciting portions of this features of this project, which I think you guys will enjoy a lot. Literally something for everyone. Community governed, yield generating deflationary protocol that was built for sustainable growth in any market condition. So they got an app for us to try out, so we'll check that out. We'll also check out some of their socials, but we'll talk all about this. Like I mentioned, they got this cool video right here, which you guys can check out too. But like I mentioned, they have a lot of interesting things, a lot of investment streams, which we'll talk about today. So one of the first ones is staking and bonding. Primary ways for users to build wealth. Users can purchase ORFI, which is the symbol of this project, discounted price via bonding and or stake to receive passive yields. They do have a treasury, which I think is exciting. Engine of Oracle Finance that backs overall floor price to keep everything stable and keep going for the long run, which I think is great. And to avoid market volatility. Obviously, we are in the crypto space, so they want to make sure that this project is not only around for this year, but many years to come. And then, of course, rewards. We all want to make sure that we are generating passive income. So the total profit generated by the protocol is distributed to all stakers in stablecoins, generating passive yield with relatively low risk. So they kind of talked about some of these different aspects. So the ecosystem will power many platforms, applications will grow in the entire ecosystem and help bring more profits to the treasury. So that's kind of like one of the main focuses of this is just really trying to do more in this space. And I do think that they've really set themselves up for success. So, and they kind of talk a little bit more about this. So, and then they have this cool like image that kind of just lays out their whole entire ecosystem. Oracle Capital, percentage treasuries allocated to venture funds, liquid token funds, and yield farming for better capital efficiency and rewards for the whole ecosystem. So let's just jump right into this right now. Hopefully, let's see if I can make this bigger for you guys to check out. Yeah, this is probably the best. Yeah, that's as big. So you definitely have to check it out. But essentially, they have you, the users, the ecosystem up here, and then obviously like these are the three ways I guess you'd interact with it. So ecosystem, bonding, and then the DEX. So for we'll focus on the bottom portion first. So bonding DEX for staking, and then obviously the ORFI staker. And then if you're up here, the ecosystem, being part of the ecosystem, and then bonding, and then they have a little symbol for money that goes into it, and then out from the whole entire kind of treasury becomes the Oracle Capital, which powers the venture funds, liquid token funds, and then the yield aggregator. So it's kind of cool how this all works together, and how you have different options to work with, but you know that all the money that goes in is being efficiently used, and I think that's awesome. So some of the key benefits that they've laid out was multi-product and services, basically awesome ecosystem, chain agnostic, so all products and services are designated in a way to be compatible with different blockchains, so really setting themselves for the future. I think that if you focus on one specific blockchain, that could lead to potential issues in the future. The ecosystem itself generates revenue regardless of the market condition. Obviously, the treasury is very important with that, and obviously the staking, etc. So, but I think it's a good idea. Like they definitely set them up for success. And like I said, they're really thinking not just of this month, this year, but the years to come. And then of course they do have reward distribution as well. If you guys want to learn more about this, you guys could definitely check this out. Time to talk about the reward distribution, staking. If you guys are interested, we'll check out their test app in a second. They do have an extensive white paper as well, which is actually it's very extensive. I want to say it's like over how many pages? Like 20, I was gonna say 20, 26 pages. I was gonna say 22, 26 pages. That kind of goes through each one of these different things. I'm not gonna obviously go through all this today. They talk about really the whole entire ecosystem. They talk about the opportunity, how you interact with it. Obviously, again, it's the same image as what we saw earlier. It's just flipped. This is up vertical versus horizontal. But as you can see, this treasury is a huge portion of it that interacts with it. But definitely exciting. Like I said, this is something you should definitely check out and kind of understand for yourself, just how essentially where everything goes. And it's great that they're actually being super transparent with this and everything that they do. And again, because this is a new ecosystem, that this is probably going to continue to expand even further. But they have the different investment streams, like I said, and you can see them in here. But staking and bonding, the launch pad, all stakeholders are guaranteed an allocation. Projects can launch public, private, or community sale. So it's great that they're working with these partnerships to have, if there's any place that, and it's right here, any place that I could find new projects vetted by an experienced team, I think it's great. NFT platform, and then venture funds. I can't wait to learn more about that in general. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. They kind of go into a lot of detail on the whole entire risk-free value and kind of explanation on that. So again, if you guys are interested, they could talk about bonding as well, and then some information on the NFT platform. But again, it's just another way to be invested into this project. So overall, the main takeaway is that the utility of this is staking, active governance participation, loyalty in the Oracle Finance ecosystem. So definitely you get rewarded for being an early adopter, early user of this. And then of course, obviously you get the rewards for being a part of this as well. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested. I'll keep you guys updated on this project for sure, but let's check out a couple things. So here's the test app if you guys want to check this out for yourself. And it's cool. Like, it's good that they're actually showing you guys everything. My wallet's not staked or not connected, but you could check out like the price. You could check out the dashboard, the market cap, 50 million, the treasury balance. So again, they're showing you guys also. You could check out the bond that if you guys are interested, and then the launch pad. I don't know if the launch pad, I don't think the launch pad is live right now, but they're just showing you guys what it looks like. I think if you click project, I don't think there's anything quite yet, but it's kind of, let's say, coming soon, ongoing, and then close. So ongoing, of course, is Oracle DAO. So if you guys are interested, definitely check that out. You guys could buy on VOLATILE. These I haven't heard of before. VOLATILE or Yuzu Swap. So definitely check it out. Again, if you guys are interested in this project, check out the website, check out all the information. We kind of went over all the basics on that, but let's check out some of their socials to see the latest update. They do have a Telegram and a Discord if you guys are interested. So they said, if you guys want to learn about some of the important dates, you could definitely check it out here. Again, like I said, the update from VOLATILE, the ICO details it was on the 7th through the 8th. That was the public pre-sale. So again, like I said, just definitely check this out. If you guys are interested in this, follow them on all their socials, kind of learn about this project, be a part of the community. And like I said, there's definitely going to be a lot of excitement around this project. Oracle Finance is powered by Oasis. And if you're not familiar with Oasis, they have more information on their documentation. They said how to participate on the Oasis network. So they said on a centralized exchange, you could download the Oasis wallet from Chrome Web Store. They teach you guys how to do this. The symbol is rose, and they kind of walk you guys through how to utilize that. So it's all in there. If you guys are interested in checking this out, whether that's from centralized exchange or through a decentralized exchange, they kind of walk you guys through how you guys can get rose, which is cool. Another thing I wanted to point out was they actually have an updated roadmap. Here's their updated roadmap. And as you can see, a lot of things has been accomplished, whether that's launching the website, team building, white paper, community presale, in progress audit, market campaigns, influencers, partnerships. But the important stuff, that's why you guys need to keep in the loop by following them, is the public presale, public launch, protocol, onboarding project launchpad, and listings. That's still to do. It's marked as to do, so definitely follow them along for the latest updates there. Post-launch will be governance setup, yield aggregators, setup for community venture funds, treasury investments, NFT platform, and then phase or Q3 is really their growth phase. So that's team expansion, NFT storefront, a setup for liquid tokens trading, multi-chain, listing on centralized exchanges, and then just more marketing. Then Q4 at the end this year, liquid tokens trading goes live, Oracle DEX and farming, and then conceptualization for Oracle DApp Store. So lots of interesting information here. You actually check out their homepage. Their KYC was done by Obsidian, which is you can check it out here, and it's been verified by them. So that's awesome. Proof to you guys that they're in this for long term. And then they have an ongoing audit by DeFi Security. So that's awesome that they're working on these things. Really important to make sure that the community knows that they're committed. And if you guys want to learn more, follow along with them, like I said, on their Discord, or follow them on Twitter for the latest updates. And I just can't wait to learn more about Oracle Finance. So let me know what you guys think about this. I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm still going through the white paper. Oh, there it is. But yeah, like I said, Oracle Finance, lots of opportunity, lots of benefits, and lots of interesting things to come in the near future. So thanks for watching. Catch you guys next time.